guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we'll be working on the heart crop tie-dye collection. So what I have done right now is actually separate the clothes into two different piles. So first pile will be those that are like a little bit, the hearts is not very obvious. So for instance, there's like a little bit spikes coming out. The color is not very obvious. The heart shape is not very obvious. So for this, I will actually be adding like a heart outline by sewing it. So for example, how it will look like is something like that. Okay, so this is what I will do for this pile. And on this pile, there are those that are like looks quite nice really, like very kind of like good heart looking tops already. So all this, right, I only have to hem the bottom, which is like a raw edge as of now. Okay, so that's all I have to do for this pile. So what I've also done is to separate them according to colors. So all the brown together, then followed by all the blue, then all the red. So this way I don't have to keep changing my thread, I can do all the browns first, like I'm leaving the same thread color, then afterwards I change when I move on to the next color. So that'll be what I'll be doing first, and then afterwards I'll move on to like sewing the hearts, which will be a little bit more tough. Yeah, anyway, so this is the one I picked out today. So something like that, I'll just have to hem it later. So yeah. Okay, so anyways, right now I'll be moving on to threading the brown first. Oh my god. Anyways, I actually can use this. Where is it? This, but I kind of like spoiled it. I don't know how, but yeah, it doesn't work anymore. Actually, I should bring it to servicing, but currently I'm like tight on budget lah. It worked eh. That's why sometimes, right, even though you think it might not work, you still try. Okay, so anyways, we're done with the threading on the brown. So as I was saying, I'm just going to do this stuff. Yeah, basically just fold up. Yeah, I need to see which is the front side also. I usually start from the front because I'll tell myself to be careful. Then afterwards we move to the back. And sometimes accidents might happen, so I usually prefer to do the front first. And I have to take note because for my crops, I'm actually thinking of adding like the small tabs at the side of the shirt at the bottom lah. Wow, I just ate and I'm like super full. Okay, can do this. So just fold it. Okay, like that. Okay, then we'll just do a zigzag stitch. So for my machine is on number 4, and I will change it to like the thickness around like 5.5 or 6. Let's go with 5.5 lah. Okay, but it's really up to you how thick you want it. Okay, fine, I'll just go with 6. Okay. Alright, so I usually go back a few stitches. Yay! So we're done with the bottom. So you can see it becomes a bit of like a lettuce hem, but that is exactly how it should be because the fabric is like stretchy. So when I stretch and actually sew it, definitely it will be like stretched out lah, and it's quite cute. It's a cute crop top. So yeah, we're done. Since I'm talking about like hemming the bottom, okay. So yeah, then I will just move on to doing the same thing for the other tops. Moving on to the blue one. Anyway, short break. This is my favorite snack. It's chestnut and it's super good. Recommend. Okay, so as I was saying, so I just continued hemming the bottom for the rest of the tops. I have around like 30, so yeah, and here I'm just snacking again. So yeah, just continuing this process. So for the next step is to sew a heart outline around the heart. So we'll first start out by getting a fabric chop to mark out the heart outline so that it will be easier for us to sew later on. Okay, so here I am usually using the blue one. because I wanted it to like camouflage to blend in with the blue, but afterwards I realized that it doesn't really make sense because the main point of using this fabric chalk is so that I can see the line obviously, so that's why I use a red one afterwards. So now with the heart outlined already, we'll just move on to sewing it using zigzag stitch also. So I usually like to start off from the middle of the heart, the pointy part. So this part is actually the trickiest because it curves like the curvy part of the heart. So you have to really like follow the outline that you have marked out using the chalk and then to do it slowly. So yeah, this is how it will look like afterwards. So for the last step, it will be to sew on the tag. So now I'll just show you guys how I will style the heart crop tops. So for the first outfit, I decided to do an all green look, so I matched it with a dark green pants and then with a pair of Converse so as to make it more of like casual, relaxed. I also matched it with my green fluffy clouds bag. For the second outfit, I decided to make it a bit more like feminine, so I matched the heart red crop top with a midi skirt and also with Dr. Martens. So for outfit 2.1, it's actually the same as outfit 2, just that this time round, I paired it with a light blue fluffy clouds bag that matches the green and blue heart crop top. So for outfit number 3, it's quite similar to outfit number 1. I just pair it with a beige pants to match the brown crop top. Next, for this outfit, I would say it's like the most summer, like very suitable for Singapore weather because it's shorts and then also with a pair of sunglasses. So for the last outfit, I'm wearing my favorite pair of jeans and then with one of my favorite heart crop top. So that's all that I have for today. For more outfit inspiration or other items like bags or even mesh tops, do check out the Instagram, which is over here. And thank you so much once again. Bye!